Hi everybody, I'm Mike. Today we're going to go on a solo backpack camping trip. I've got a couple tarps with me. We're going to go through these beautiful woods back here, find a place to set up camp. We're going to cook some great food. We're going to have a terrific time. Oh my gosh, look at that burl. I got a lot of friends that would love to turn that into something very beautiful. That thing is huge. The wind is really kicked up today. I'm gonna head over the hill and see if I can find some shelter down below in this rocky bluff here. I was climbing down into this lower bottom here where it's nice and rocky and ledgy. Look at this root ball right here. This is crazy how it wound up. Just like I thought, as soon as I got down over the hill into this rocky area, the wind died way down. There's lots of places for me to put up my tarp shelter, but some of them look like somebody might be living in there. Well, I think I might have found my spot. Look at that. Fairly level. I got a nice rock ledge behind me to help protect me from the wind. It won't be too hard to set up a camp right here. Yeah, this is a spot for me tonight. I'm gonna get to work on making my shelter. everything is running a little longer than I anticipated. I got my elevated bed put up and about ready to put my tarp up. I think I'm going to throw some cedar boughs on there, and then I'll put my mattress and then my sleeping bag. But right now I got to get my tarp up. It's cooling off, and I think I'm going to go ahead and start a fire and cook dinner. I got to make a roasting stick because I've got deer loin that I'm going to wrap with bacon and put over this fire. It's going to be delicious. All right, well, I don't know what I'm going to do with a 3-pronged, but we're going to get it on there and get it on the fire. Well, I'm going to get my bed ready while I'm waiting for this fire to make some coals, and then I'm going to go ahead and prep dinner and hopefully eat before midnight. Deer loin from my last muzzleloader hunt. There you have it. Awesome. I seriously cannot tell this is deer meat. It is so good. I gotta get another one. Well, I gotta tell you, it was a fun afternoon. Had a great meal. I'm tired and I'm gonna hit the sack. We'll see you in the morning. Can you hear those coyotes? Sounds like a bunch of pups. They're singing for me tonight, though. It's pretty cool. Good morning, everybody. It's about 5:30. It got way colder last night than they said it would. So I'm gonna get a fire going this morning and cook some breakfast and warm up a little bit. About froze to death last night. It was very, very uncomfortable. Lesson learned. All right, let's get some fire going. There's nothing like a hot cup of coffee to get your morning going. I got a bunch of wood on there. We're gonna make some coals, cook some breakfast, and this day's gonna start off awesome. You know, I really like this location. It's down out of the wind for the most part. Rocks act as a natural reflector. I got this blow down here that helped me build part of my structure. I've got some ideas for next time. I think I'm gonna keep coming back here. It's nice and quiet. It's a really good campsite. I might have been a little redundant on my protection for my sleeping pad, but I brought along a heavy-duty tarp, put it over top of the boughs the cedar boughs that I put on top of the rails, and then I got a cheap mattress on top of that, and my expensive mattress on top of that. And honestly, it was pretty comfy, but I picked the wrong sleeping bag last night. It got way colder than they said, and I was pretty chilly. It was not the best night's sleep. Lesson learned. Oh, it looks like we got enough coals to start breakfast. I'm gonna get at it. I'm pretty hungry. Oh yeah, turned out nice. You might have noticed I moved the coals further out from the fire so I didn't have to fight the smoke while I was cooking my meal. It worked out pretty good. You know, I don't know. There's nothing like a meal made on a campfire. This is so good. Life is good, you guys. Life is good. I'm so glad I went out and set up this camp last night. It was an awesome night, other than being a little bit cold. Waking up this morning, getting the fire going, getting warmed up, it makes you appreciate a lot of things in life. You know, a friend of mine said, I'll do it tomorrow has ruined more dreams than any saying ever. So if you guys ever think you want to go out and do this, go do it. Don't wait till tomorrow. This is awesome. I really like this spot here. I'm going to do more work here. We'll come back again another time. But it worked out pretty good. I've got a few things I'm going to change. I think I'm going to build a little table over here, set my food and stuff on, set my stuff at night on if I camp out here. I'm definitely going to wall that off because the wind did come through a little bit. I didn't get enough cedar boughs over there. It's easy access, can hike into here. Really nice. Those eggs are especially good. You know, that's the first time using that little stainless steel griddle. I like it a lot. I wish it had some handles. I might make some handles and put on there. That rock ledge right there really reflects the heat back from that fire. Even just the coals right now, it's so much warmer in here. Maybe I'll incorporate a couple little ultra lightweight wing tarps. That would really let the heat build up in here. I don't know what I'm going to do. I do know I'm coming back here. Well, the Weather Channel says I got a couple hours to get this broke down and get out of here. There's a heck of a storm coming. Don't know that I want to camp in a storm this time. So I'm going to finish this coffee, start breaking down camp. My dentist tells me you only brush the teeth you want to keep. These cedar boughs really evened out all the bumps on these logs right here that I made my bed out of. It made it very comfortable last night. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you watching this video. I had a blast making it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell button. And every time I make one of these videos, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.